Hey, what's up YouTube? Your boy Dex here, back with another video. We got another Supreme unboxing. This is from week 11, I believe it was, week 11. Yeah. Let's get into it, see what we got. Got a nice sticker pack. Oh, nice. We got some of the imagers from what was the Cinquanti La Norio. I don't know how to pronounce that, but we got stickers from that collab. Get those. I'm probably not saying that right at all, but I'm gonna get the box logo. Got the Supreme Champion Outline Sweat Shorts. Oh man, these are nice. Got a nice embroidered champion right there. Champion logo there. You know, I wish that would have had, they should have embroidered Supreme down this side over here. That would have been sick. Instead of just that little on the back. But I hope I didn't buy a size too big. But let's get these on. I'll give you an on-body fit look. Here we are. Got them on now. A nice fit. They're a good fit. I had to tie up the drawstring a little bit, but comfortable, good quality, nice, beautiful material. I'm happy with them. I believe that they are reselling for about $200, but they only retail at $118. It's not bad, but yeah. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Peace out till next week.